Hi guys, welcome to Linda's Simple Kitchen. So today we are doing the Swahili pilau. Onto our ingredients, we have marinated goat meat. We used, of course, goat meat, vinegar, soy sauce, the light soy sauce, salt, 1 lemon juice, ginger and garlic. Then this is blended, the mix of blended tomatoes, red, yellow and green pepper. We have our onions here. For the dry ingredients, we have pilau masala, cardamoms, turmeric, paprika, and of course tomato paste. Then for our rice, we'll use Dawat traditional basmati. So come with us as we start the journey.